Hey guys, we're getting started today on this brand new project. We're going to be doing the layout today. What makes this project so unique is that it's not just a rectangle pool. We are actually going to be having this pool go underneath the house area where there's going to be a secondary tanning ledge, and it's going to have a swim up area that you'll be able to sit around a table inside the pool. As of right now, he is spraying out the pool. We've already pulled all the pool string. After we finish spraying out the pool area, we will also be spraying out the deck area. It can show you exactly how much decking you will have around the pool.
I'm looking at 3 feet.
We're just measuring from the corner of the pool to the where the tanning ledge will start is right there where he's marking. We're pulling 40 feet, 10 inches this way, and we're pulling 12 feet from that point. We need some more pins. We're taking the corner point. Let's go ahead and pull from this corner as well. Stay on that point. So we're gonna pull 4110 this way, 4110 right here. If you don't get a proper measurement of the house, then it could throw out the entire pool drawing when we actually lay the pool out. Now we got the pool laid out. Now we gotta add the spa, add the kicked out ledges, this corner piece right here. So we need to go over 6 inches, over 1 foot, up 1 foot, and then pull 1 foot that way. That's the corner. Pull off this corner, 10 feet, but I need to measure off this post. It's actually technically 6 inches off here, which is right here. That's good. That's just a temporary pin. And then we're gonna go ahead and pull 10 feet now. All right, now we can pull the 4 corners. So go to 11 feet, 13, and then 4110. All right, so we're gonna be laying out the secondary tanning ledge, and we're adding a swim up table area. It's gonna be either quartz or granite, whatever the customer decides to go with. So they can either eat at the table, they can play games, all while sitting inside the pool area. So this should be 19 from that end to that end. We need to pull 7 feet there. Yeah. This one is a lot more difficult than a rectangle pool. We're going around columns, so we're having to separate. Literally, we're adding like 6 inches to a foot to compensate for this column. And then we're having to subtract it. That's what's making it more difficult, is working around these posts.
So 20'3" is here.
You want to pull an extra 1 foot? You want to pull it at 8? You're gonna pull 8 on hers, and you'll pull 21'3". All right, now that we got the pool area, let's go ahead and just draw this deck on then real quick.